Not all cubicle systems are created equal. The Sapphire system, by SKUTCHI Designs, is the superior choice for high-end office workspace solutions. The Sapphire system's 3¼ inch thick wall panels are made of durable, yet lightweight, commercial-grade aluminum, the best in the industry. With its modular design, you can choose from thousands of combinations of tempered glass, colorful fabrics, durable metals, or noise-reducing tiles. The Sapphire system's doors are full-size swing doors with custom locks, not sliding plastic panels which lack privacy and security. The Sapphire system offers an optional built-in electrical and data conduit, seamlessly integrated into each panel. Installed by professionals, this system allows electricians to focus only on final connections, saving time and significantly reducing costs compared to wiring every cubicle individually. The Sapphire system features 7 height options for your cubicle walls, from 32 inches to as tall as 108 inches, unmatched in the commercial office furniture industry. The Sapphire system is engineered for ease of assembly. A few simple tools in our cubicles can be quickly assembled without the need for messy industrial grease and lubricants found in cheaper systems. We offer nationwide installation without any surprise service fees. Our Sapphire system is the clear winner in value, sustainability, and functionality. There is simply no other office cubicle system which measures up to the Sapphire system. If you want the best for your office or workplace, contact one of our project managers to get started today.